Welcome to the Poppin' Drill Series, episode number 5. Now the videos in this series is designed specifically for dancers who want that crystal clear pop. Now the two key factors to achieve that are great muscle control and perfect rhythm, and both of which we'll be covering. In case you didn't know, I'm Seach, I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow because this takes time and patience. Now, for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. Welcome to review drill 1. We're talking about the poppin' drills, but we're doing bottom first. This whole section is basically bottom first. What does that mean? It's like a twistoplex, but we're simplifying. We're twisting the bottom half first and then the top. Okay? So first drill, really simple. I'm turning to my right. I'm gonna step with right, then left. As I turn, it's more of right leg, then left leg. Right when I turn on the one, the left has to pivot, okay? Because if I don't move it out of the way, then what's gonna happen is my whole body's gonna leave, okay? So the goal is this. I want to turn in my axis. I wanna turn right here. I wanna end at the same place, okay? The same piece of real estate that I occupy, I wanna stay there. I don't wanna go here and then move out of the way. I don't want to do that. I want to stay here, boom, boom, right? So I want to stay there. How do I do that? Right when I step, if you look at your ground right here, your toe and then the heel's back here. What I want to do is my right toe is going to step right where the right heel was, okay? I want to go 1, and right when I step on 1, it's going to be 1, okay? 7, 8. Actually, it's and 1. So you're gonna go and 1. Okay? 6, 7, 8, and 1. Right on the end, you see how I pivot the left side. Okay? 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? So now the idea now is I don't want to turn my shoulder. My head and my shoulder stays isolated. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Then we go 2. But in our drill, the idea isn't trying to memorize the choreography. The idea is try to pop while you're moving. So we're gonna go slow. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first 2 8 counts, we're popping on that 2, okay? Get to the position first. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. The hard part about this is our body's turning to the side and you're trying to generate enough power. Because usually, we're powerful here, but at a different angle, different body position, the power's not the same. So we're trying to do the same, trying to build it, right? So 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what happens on the 3, we turn, boom, head and shoulder turning together on the 3, pop on the 4, okay? Same thing, I'm gonna go back to the other side. So now it's gonna be the left turn, and 5, pop on 6, turn on 7, pop on 8, okay? So let's give that a try. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do that 2 times. And then, now we want to be able to pop as we turn. So you're going to go, and boom, on the 1 you're popping. Okay, 7, 8, and pop, pop, and pop, 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 pop. If you can add your legs in, I highly recommend you do that. Also, if you can have the chest and neck, whatever you could do to generate that power, go ahead and do that. But at first, when you first try this, I would say probably the first 2 weeks or so, you probably only get some power from your arms, mostly from your arms. If you can add the legs in, that's great. It's gonna take some time to make it natural, but when it does, it's gonna feel really good, okay? So for those of you who are further ahead along your journey, you guys know what I'm talking about. For those that are starting and beginning, you will get there, have patience, okay? So this first drill, pretty simple. Bottom first, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and pop, boom, boom. And then we alternate between popping every beat versus every clap beat, okay, every other beat. So it gives you breaks in the middle, okay, so finish this drill and do it over again. But if you're good with this drill, then move on to drill number 2. It's a different variation of the bottom first. I'll see you there. Okay, drill number 2, different variation of bottom first. We're gonna start with our knee first, all right? So 7, 8, 1, 2. So here's another balancing act, all right? If your balance is not that good, I highly recommend going back to the body movement series where we do the balance activity, where we be able to hold your balance. You wanna be able to hold your balance and then pop at the same time, right? So that's what we're doing. We're going here, pop, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay. Now when I swing down, just using this momentum, you're gonna go and 3. Before we just went da da. Now you're going here, da da. Okay. So this is like the drill 1, but we're adding that leg first. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then you're gonna turn your head. 5, 6, turn on 5, 5, pop the 6, body back, 7, 8, okay? So, first 8 count, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, okay? Yeah, the second part is popping on every beat, so you have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice on this one, it's not shoulder and neck, okay? You're doing the bottom, and then you got the top, and then you got the middle section. Bottom, top, middle section, all right? But it's still the bottom first. One more time with me. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it. Second version of bottom first. Finish the drill. Do it as much as you need to, and then come back to drill number 3. Drill number 3 variation. This one has a pivot twist to it. So check it out. We start the same as drill number 2. 1, 2 right here. As I step back, this is right when I step back, I'm pivoting here. So and then heel comes to the front. So here's my twist right there. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's my and 3. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. From here, I'm doing a heel toe twist. Heel toe, okay? So we again 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. The hard part about this 5, 6 is you really gotta be flexible and also really hold your isolation. It's really, really easy to twist the whole body. If you're not flexible here, I would suggest doing some of these twist those stretches, right? So, review one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we turn back. 7, 8. Now when we end 7, 8, our legs are apart. I know, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay? So finish here 7, 8. Then we're gonna start over. Now make sure your weight is on the back leg. If your leg is on the front leg, you're gonna have some problems. So stay back here, then you can lift up the front leg. If your weight's on the front leg, you can't do it. Weight's got it in the back side, okay? So we'll repeat the left leg this time. You got 1, 2, then you have and 3, okay? And 3, turn here. 5, all right, so you got 3, and you pop on 4, turn on 5, pop 6, turn back 7, pop on 8. So the first 8 count, let's demonstrate. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so again, we're popping on every clap beat, every 2. Then we're gonna pop on every beat. Here we go. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it. This is our third version of the bottom first. There's so many different variations. When you have these choreographies down, or when you have these variations down, you are free to do your own variation. But the idea is you're doing the bottom first. Turning the bottom first, all right? You can do bottom, top, middle, top, whatever. You could have different arm position, different hand position. Make sense? Hope you guys understand this. Hope you guys will be able to take this, create your own drill, all right? Post in the comments below. I'd like to see your own drill. That'll be really, really cool. Share back with me. Okay, guys, hope you guys have fun with this. Keep practicing. Use all the drills that I have and flourish with it. Create a great routine with it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.